Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You, and I have another unboxing. This is a new one to the channel. This is the Appy Hour. So it's a charcuterie monthly subscription. But before we dive into it, I've got another special guest. You might know by now if you've been watching my other videos who it is. But come on in, Natalie.
Hello.
So my niece Natalie's in the house and she is going to help me with this. And it's going to be really interesting because I don't know what types of meats and cheeses and everything that's in here. So we will see. All right. So what we got here is we starting off with a tasting guide. And over here on the side, I think I might have like a free item in here maybe. So we'll have to see. So how about, Natalie, we're going to unbox everything, put it on the table, and show you one by one, okay? One sec. Okay, so you guys are going to learn this along with me because, again, we've never got this box before. But it is the Appy Hour. Right here, I'm putting what the price is. And again, we've got the tasting guide. And number one, it says scan the QR code. And it's a guide. All right, so it says jump into the guide that matches your curation. Number two, find your items, locate your meats and cheeses within the full selection. And I will say it came packaged very well with 2 ice packs. And then third, learn and savor. Unlock tasty notes, product information, and pairing suggestions. And it does say before you start, the guide includes our recommended curations and won't reflect customizations to your selection. And that's okay. Taste is personal and your picks are just right for you. You liking your hair? Mm-hmm. Her hair does look really nice. That's compliments of the dry bar earlier today. So on the back, there is more information. So let's just dive in here. And
okay, so this says?
Yep, so the first item is some meats.
This is the red wine salami with rich, bold, and earthy. This rustic salami is made from premium pork infused with robust red wine and with fragrant garlic. It is savory, warming, flavor is perfect, and cozy spread paired with bold cheeses for a charcuterie board full of meaty comfort.
So we got some salami.
Yay, salami!
All right, the next one is we got some jamon serrano. So I believe this is pork.
Interesting.
So it looks like a pancetta, but it's not. So it says cured for over 12 months in Spain's Girona region. This jamon serrano delivers a silky texture with notes of toasted almond and subtle aged sweetness to create a balanced, expressive profile. Pair with firm cheese milk. Pair with firm sheep's milk.
Oh my goodness.
Cheeses. Macarona almonds, which I love those types of almonds, by the way, and crusty bread for a charcuterie centerpiece.
Yay, more meat.
All right, you do this one since I'm stumbling all over my words.
Oh boy. Praline pecans.
Okay, those are gonna be delicious.
Crunchy and crispy, each pecan is candied with sugar and butter. Creating a heavenly morsel that's irresistible, nutty, and sweet. Its crunchy texture and rich, sugary coating perfectly complemented to the spread. I can't read either. Apparently. It's too late. We can't read.
We have been out.
Ooh, chocolate.
And then we've been a long day. So this is dark chocolate covered cranberries.
I'll be eating those.
Okay, all right. Bring a cozy twist to your charcuterie board. Tart, jewel-toned cranberries coated in rich dark chocolate offer a balance of sweet and tangy, perfect with the Gouda, prosciutto, nuts, or figs. They add warmth and indulgence.
Yay, those are mine.
All right, she's already stealing something from you.
Dibs.
Ooh, I'm gonna like that.
Meredith Dairy. Marinated sheep and goat cheese.
That sounds
Oh,
delicious.
boy.
Are those capers down in there? Or are they're either capers, I'll tell you here in a second, either capers or black peppercorns. So let me see here real quick on the back. I can tell. They're black peppercorns. And that looks like, is that,
Basil?
no, it's not sage. Or is it sage? Thyme, with fresh thyme. This looks delicious. Okay, so next one, some cheese.
Ooh.
Dolce ricotta lemon.
Ooh, lemon cheese.
That is going to be
That's cool. I like that.
delicious. Does it tell me anything? Cow's milk, buffalo milk.
Interesting.
Very nice. All right, next.
This one, I'll eat this.
Okay.
Fiddlehead IPA cheddar.
Ah.
Cheddar.
So you like beer cheese? You probably do, because I'm sure you've probably had melted beer cheese.
Probably.
Yeah. Next, we got blackberry balsamic jam. Yummy. All right, and then
Our final
our
big
final
box.
item.
Artesian crisps with tart cherry, cacao nib, and almond. So they basically have tart cherry, chocolate, and almonds.
Yep, so by,
Nice.
let me see here. So by Rustic Bakery, some artisan crisps, the perfect accompaniment and fine cheese. Huh.
Cool.
Very interesting. So let's like pull it all together real quick to see.
Okay.
So crackers, big thing of cheese, more cheese, more cheese.
Oh, cheese. Oh,
Oops.
oh.
So I will say these are like two of my most favorite charcuterie meats. So I'm very happy with that. Then we have those. And some jam. I mean, this is like a nice haul. I bought this because I thought it would be like, maybe like Greg and I could do like a little date night once a month with these things. But it sounds like the cranberries are already going right here. So yeah, well, I'm happy. Do you like the box?
Yeah. I think it's a good box.
Yeah, I think it's cool. Yeah, I really like it. So very happy and can't wait to see what I get next month. So, well, as always, you guys, thank you for spending time with me. Thanks to my guest for joining, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Take care now. Bye, everyone.